Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the cannot parse response error in Safari browser. So Safari comes pre-installed on every Apple device out there, and it is also one of the most reliable web browsing softwares on the internet. But one of the most common errors that Safari users face is the cannot parse response error. Well, in this video I will take you guys through a step-by-step process on how you can resolve this error with ease. And now that I said that, let's begin with the video. So the first step is to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, the web browser will not be able to render the website's components, and this will ultimately lead to the error again popping up on your screen. A good way to check whether or not your internet connection is stable is by running a speed test, which you can do pretty easily on the internet nowadays. All you have to do is search for speed test, and it is quite intuitive after that. Now that you have seen your internet's capabilities and whether or not it is stable, if the error is still persisting, you can go ahead with step number 2, which is to refresh your web page. This is quite easy to do on an iPhone. You can do this by clicking on the refresh icon on the right side of your address bar, or you can simply just pull down the web page. That will refresh it as well. Now, even after this, if the error is still there, you can go ahead and try step number 3, which is to quit and relaunch Safari. Now, quitting an app on an iPhone can be done by closing it in the recent apps. Now you can go open recent apps in an iPhone by swiping up on the home bar. Once you do that, you can go ahead and find Safari in your recent apps and swipe up to close it. Once you've closed it, relaunch it and check whether the website is working, and if the error is still persistent again, you can go ahead and move on with step number 4. So step number 4 involves clearing cookies and website data. So long story short, when you visit a website, it stores cookies and other website data to serve you the same website a little faster the next time you visit it. But occasionally this stored website data can cause some errors in loading the website. So you can remove some of the data that is specific to a website, and that can fix the problem of the cannot parse response error. Now on an iPhone, you can do this by number 1 is launching the settings app. Once you're in settings, you can go ahead and scroll down to Safari and then tap on it. Under Safari settings, you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on advanced. And once you're in advanced settings, tap on website data. Once you tap on website data, you can go ahead and click on edit on the top right corner and then click the left icon from the website from which you want to delete the data. Alternatively, you can swipe right on a particular website and tap on remove, which will also remove or delete the website's data. Lastly, if you want to remove all of the website data at once, you can scroll down and tap on remove all website data. That's a button on the bottom of the options bar, and once you're here, you can go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, a remove now prompt will appear. It is just a final confirmation on whether or not you want to remove all the website data at once. Once you click on remove now, all the data will be deleted, and hopefully your Safari browser does not have the cannot parse response error anymore. Just check it once again. Hopefully it is resolved after all these 4 steps, because there's a 99% chance it's been resolved already. But if you still want some additional guidance, or you want to know how you can do this on other devices like a Mac, you can check out the link in the description. It will take you through a blog on sysprobs.com. It's a great website. It will help you immensely in this procedure. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.